Let's turn that leftover chicken into an easy, cheesy chicken Alfredo pasta bake. Watch this. First, let's grab that leftover chicken. The breast meat is perfect for this recipe. Make sure you get rid of all the bones and also tear away that skin. Now you got yourself a nice appetizer before dinner. You can chop up your chicken with a knife, but I paid too much for this blender, so I'm using it. Pulse your chicken in your food processor so that it's in nice bite-sized pieces. Dump your chicken out and set it to the side. Salt your water, add your pasta, and cook till al dente. In a separate pan over medium heat, add some olive oil, some minced garlic, some heavy cream, and then some chicken broth. Bring everything to a simmer, and then add some fresh Parmesan cheese. Now it's time for that flavor. I'm using that Delta Dust. This tastes like Papados in a bottle. You can get it from UncleDibbz.com. Whisk everything together until your sauce is smooth and creamy. Add your pasta, then add your chicken. Make sure everything is evenly coated with the Alfredo sauce. In a separate oven-safe dish, add your pasta, then add a little bit more of that Delta Dust just for a little extra flavor. Spread everything out, and then sprinkle that mozzarella cheese all over the top. Cover it from edge to edge. Bake at 375 for 20 minutes, and then this is what you get. Who said leftovers can't taste good? Grab yourself a bowl, and then enjoy this cheesy goodness. To get this full recipe, visit the caption or go to UncleDibbz.com. That's good, shorty.